Hi, my name's Susanna Bakken. I'm an oceanographer and I live and work in a small fishing village called Caleta Chañaral de Aceituno in northern Chile.
I am Pierre-Yves Le Trans, Scientific Director of Mercator Ocean International.
My name is Elsie Gabriel. I'm the founder of Young Environmentalist Program Trust in the Ocean School in...
Hello, this is a voice from the Black Sea region. My name is Dimitar and I represent the Bulgarian Foundation for Our Sea.
Hi, I'm Andy Salter, an oceanographer based in the UK. I'm down at Brixham Harbour. Brixham's a big fishing port in the southwest of the UK.
My name is Karina von Schuckmann. I'm working at Mercator Ocean International in the scientific direction as a director for the Copernicus Ocean State Report and a senior advisor for ocean science for policy.
Hi there, my name is Brit and I am from University of Plastic. I work to connect people with ocean protection through new technology and data.
My name is Ifeja Pomofosu. I am a science storyteller and a climate action activist in Ghana, West Africa.
Hi, my name is Alan Haney. I'm the General Secretary of the International Council for the Exploration of the Sea, ICES.
Hi there, I'm Mandy from the Netherlands. As a nature journalist, I draw in and underwater.
Hi, my name is Anne Huachuan. I'm a communications officer at Mercator Ocean International.
Hello, my name is Doti Hamakoto and I'm a marine scientist from Namibia.
My name is Arne Kurzinger and I'm the scientific head of the International Futuro Project.
Hi, my name is Judith Camps. I am a marine scientist and a PhD student at University of Barcelona, working on coral ecology and marine symbiosis.
I'm Marina Tonani. I work at Mercator Ocean International. I'm very proud that my name reminds of the sea, and maybe this is one of the reasons why I became an oceanographer.
Hola, buenos días. Soy Pablo Córdoba, CEO de Red Ocean Service, una iniciativa tecnológica enfocada en proteger nuestros océanos mediante predicciones inteligentes y acciones rápidas.
Hi, my name is Sidonia Russo and I work at the Norwegian University of Science and Technology in Trondheim, Norway. My PhD focuses on...
These are some of the richest waters in the world, part of the Great Humboldt Current marine ecosystem. And here the local community has developed a thriving whale watching industry because of the large numbers of whales that visit here to feed during the summer months. Our project is centered on understanding how the Isla Chañaral submarine canyon feeds this feeding ground for the whales, why there is so much rich plankton, rich krill for these whales to feed on. This enables us to pass on all that information to the general public, the local community and tourists, and it also means that we can provide the scientific information to the Chilean government to manage the recently created Archipiélago Humboldt MPA.
I'm highly motivated to advance our capabilities to better monitor and predict the ocean, and we need such advanced capabilities to better understand marine biodiversity, to sustainably manage the ocean, and to support climate change mitigation and adaptation policies. I'm also deeply committed in fostering international collaboration that is crucial in addressing these challenges.
Here in India, we're working with the schools and colleges and encouraging them to take up careers in oceanography, marine biology, and the ocean sciences. And it's a win-win situation for special students in the global south where they can make careers in the field of oceanography as well as save the planet.
Over the last 3 years, we launched 2 inspiring initiatives with lasting impact. The first one, called Most Precious Catch, brought together 25 fishing vessels that removed from the sea 10 tons of marine litter and more than 70 kilometers of ghost nets. Thanks to the Bulgarian fishermen and the initiative Savior of the Sturgeon, within 2 years, 180 sturgeons have been saved in the Bulgarian waters of the Black Sea.
With fishing, it's a big community thing and you want these communities to thrive, but you want them to also be able to manage the seabed properly, and you want the people who go fishing. It's a dangerous job to stay safe at sea. So when we do our work, we're looking to build predictions and monitoring information that helps people manage what they're doing, that helps them stay safe, that helps them thrive and keeps these communities going.
I'm passionate about understanding the ocean and gathering together knowledge-based and data-based information on the ocean in order to inform not only policy, but also for raising awareness for a wider audience. So it's information about the past to understand the ocean, it's information for today in order to monitor the ocean, information for tomorrow in order to alert, but also information for the long-term future in order to prepare.
At Universal Plastic, we support organizations and people all around the world to register their data of their waste collection on our application. This data, like types of plastic, kilometers walked, time spent, we analyze it with our AI system and combine it with Copernicus marine data sets, like ocean swell, wind direction, and in this way we can create prediction models to analyze how plastic is moving, where it ends up in our coastline, and pinpoint critical areas.
Did you know that 71% of the planet is ocean? And that the ocean provides between 50 to 80% of the Earth's oxygen? However, whenever we organize exercises to keep the environment clean, we often leave out the ocean. That's a sad reality, right? As a result of this, through my own organization, Climate Zen, I launched a digital media campaign, #Waves of Conservation, where I leverage on storytelling to create awareness about the importance of the ocean and the need for us to preserve it.
For more than 120 years, ICES has brought scientists together from around the world to address ocean challenges. Oceans and marine life don't recognize national boundaries, so it's essential that we collaborate to collect and analyze ocean data. ICES brings together more than 5,000 scientists from over 75 countries to answer big questions like how humans impact and benefit from marine ecosystems. Global challenges such as marine biodiversity loss make this type of collaboration more important than ever.
As a nature journalist, I'm used to wonder about things in nature. It has brought me much closer to the nature. Nowadays, I not only enjoy nature journaling on land, but also in and underwater. My mission is to get more people in the water to marvel at, as I call it, the wet life. To bring them, you, in an easy and non-harmful way, closer to this beautiful and precious world. So they, you, can learn to know and appreciate it.
We are a scientific organization that uses data from satellites and other technologies to study the ocean, to understand how it's changing and what its future will look like. Our experts can track everything from global sea temperature and sea ice cover and how they evolve with climate change, to even plastic pollution. My job is to publish articles and social media posts about this particular work and to make sure that they are accessible to everybody, from decision makers, people working in the fishing industry, and of course the general public. Because the more of us know about the state of our ocean, the better we, as a society, can protect it.
My research involves monitoring sessile invertebrates, collecting biological samples, and using tools like eDNA to understand how aquaculture structures influence the marine life. This work helps us to develop better ways to sustainably manage both aquaculture and natural habitats. My goal is to contribute to the sustainable management of Namib's marine ecosystems.
I want to share with you my excitement about the Futur project, which really will be at a scale that we've never done before. A year-long field campaign in the tropical Atlantic Ocean within a large international consortium of scientists from natural and social scientists, including many Africans, with the whole idea to better understand the ecosystem of West Africa and be able to advise on the better, more sustainable use of the ecosystem in the end.
My research focused on gorgonians, a type of coral that plays a key role in marine ecosystems across the world. I study how they respond to stressors like climate change, combining molecular biology, ecological data, and ocean monitoring tools. I also engage in youth-led advocacy through the Youth for Ocean Forum, connecting science with ocean protection. In fact, I'm also a European young ocean advocate, committed to bridging science through communication, outreach, and visual storytelling.
I coordinate the forecasting component of the European European Marine Service of Copernicus, and I manage EDITO, the European project for developing a platform for enabling digital twin of the ocean. The very innovative aspect of the digital twin of the ocean is that they can allow us to understand what is the impact of the decision and the action that we take today for managing and protecting the ocean in the future.
Mercator Ocean Service es una plataforma digital que ofrece pronósticos oceanográficos en tiempo real y de cobertura global, con la finalidad de apoyar operaciones marítimas críticas como derrames, rescates, control de plásticos y seguridad portuaria. Nuestro sistema permite simular el comportamiento de objetos o sustancias a la deriva con una interfaz simple, precisa y disponible 24/7 y para todo el mundo, lo que permite una toma de decisiones más rápida y eficiente.
My PhD focused on the mechanism involving stress response in the copepod Calanus finmarchicus, which are tiny plankton found in the North Atlantic. Copepod are small but still really important in marine food chain and the carbon cycle, and they also face many stressors like increased temperature, acidification, sound or light pollution. The UN Ocean Conference aims to find better solutions to use oceans, and I think copepod are important in this view because they are a key element of marine ecosystem but still vulnerable to climate change. Understanding how copepod react to different environmental stressors will help to predict marine population dynamics and support efforts to conserve marine ecosystems.
Hi, we're Van Steele from Pennsylvania, USA. This is our educational program about the importance of the oceans to human life.
The total ocean awareness program consists of 10 parts, tailored to each age group.
Our presentations and demonstrations about how climate change affects ocean life has reached over 10,000 people.
We authored our own children's illustrated book and distributed over 1,200 copies.
By addressing the need for solid ocean education at all ages, from young children to seniors.
By showcasing the importance of the oceans to human life,
our program raises awareness and inspires others to join the effort towards healthy oceans for everyone.